Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use a tire inflator step by step. Let's get started. Enter inside the car. Pull up the parking brake. Make sure the car is in neutral. And then start the car. Check the recommended tire pressure on the sticker inside the driver's side door jamb. Connect inflator to charger socket. Remove air valve cap. Connect inflator to air valve. Turn it on. You can check the pressure while inflating. When the tire reaches the desired pressure, turn the inflator off. Disconnect the inflator from the valve stem. Replace the valve cap on the tire's valve stem. Thank you for watching.